here's one that I created on my own website. So I have a product that some clients buy. I'm not trying to sell it to you here, but it's called Fresh Ideas for Better Meetings, and it's an online resource center with 52 different activities that you as a leader or a manager can do with your team. And they're under different categories like innovation, better decisions, learning and growth, and so on. And it came out of people said to me, we'd love to take some of the things that you did in your workshop and run them with our team. Can you give us some ideas? So I created this product around it. So there's 52 of them, coincidentally the same as the number of weeks in the year, but it's not set up as you get one every week. You can dip in at any time and choose the ones that you're interested in. So you can do it by category, but recently we've added a new feature where you've got an AI chatbot. And it says, let's add a spark of engagement and innovation. What's a problem you're currently experiencing? Let's say, my people are resistant to change. Okay, so what our chatbot does is it looks through those 52 modules and it says if somebody's got this problem that they've identified, which of the modules would be most useful to them? Okay, and it says the Disrupt Yourself module is a good one. The Grit module is a good one. I don't know how many it's going to show here, so we'll stop after 3. Trust Them is a good one. Okay, and then it's a chatbot. I'm sure you've seen chatbots on lots of different websites and apps. So the idea here is that this chatbot is only going to respond based on the content of the 52 modules that we've uploaded into it. Okay, so that's the example of the Better Meetings one. I'm not trying to sell you this product, but I want to make the point that when we did this, when I demonstrated this as an example of AI in use to this group of people, as I said, somebody in HR said, this is a great idea. Why don't we do this for all our HR documents? So they said, we've got all this complex processes and systems and regulations, government imposed regulations, our own internal processes around HR, and it's all really useful information, but because it's been built up over time, it's all quite messy and cluttered. It's difficult for people to find their way around, and they were going to invest in hiring some consultants to come in and clean up their whole system. Instead, they ran an AI project to create a chatbot which would do essentially what I was showing you here with Better Meetings. It would work on the documents that were already in the HR system, and employees could type in the chatbot and say, I've got this problem. Let's say I've applied for leave last week, but I didn't take that day's leave. How do I get that leave back? And you ask the chatbot and it would search the documents and then give the person a link to the appropriate document and the place in the document where they could find out the steps they go through to solve that problem. So it's a really good example of a chatbot being applied internally to help reduce clutter.